Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.